एलओपी के बारे में कुछ आपत्तिजनक बातें कही थी।
I take a strong exception to what Jairam Ramesh is saying.
Better the same thing what you have explained me in chamber, the same thing you say in the house.
Yes, not. Absolutely not. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am not giving fraud to you. Nothing in, no. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am about to name you.
आप कहते हैं आप मुस्कुरा क्यों रहे हैं?
सुनिए,
आप बैठे क्यों हुए? सर प्लीज ऐसे मत करिए।
Once I have not allowed you now, Jairam ji, take your seat. Can you ask him to keep quiet first? Totally ignorant.
एलओपी के बारे में कुछ आपत्तिजनक बातें कही थी। एलओपी ने भी उठाया था और आपने कहा था कि आप अपना रूलिंग देंगे। तो अब वो रूलिंग क्या है सर?
सुनिए बैठिए। माननीय एलओपी श्रीमान मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी और घनश्याम तिवारी जी दोनों ने मेरे निवेदन को स्वीकार किया। हमने पूरी चर्चा की, एक एक शब्द देखा गया और अंत में ये पाया गया कि श्री घनश्याम तिवारी जी ने जो प्रशंसा मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी की वो श्रेष्ठतम थी और इसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं हो सकती थी। उस समय समझ में नहीं आया। घनश्याम तिवारी हैड एप्रिशिएटेड मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे और चैम्बर में कहा कि कुछ भी मेरे से गलती हुई है तो मैं सदन में माफी मांगूंगा। आपको नहीं पता भाई? Honorable members, I take a strong exception to what Jairam Ramesh is saying. What I am indicating is, that at my request, Shri Malikarjun Khadge ji and Ghanshyam Tiwari ji both were good enough to come to my chamber. I had the occasion to go through each word of that. Honorable members can go through that. Ghanshyam Tiwari ji had appreciated leader of the opposition to a very high level, and Malikarjun, sir, let's not. We have regard for you, sir. He has raised it. I hope he has not raised. Again, we'll interact, sir. Question hour. No. Yeah, okay. 1 second. And sir, before that, one thing. Even after that meeting, I myself read every word of it, and then I found. No, I'll give time. Then I found that there was nothing objectionable. I had also pleaded with the leader of the opposition that if he finds something objectionable, he may indicate. Please, sir.
No, sir, that I have not seen because you told.
I've seen, sir.
You told that I will go through the records. If anything is there, I will come back.
Yes.
And inform the. I told that even Ghanshyamji,
Yes.
it is better the same thing what you have explained me in chamber, the same thing you say in the house.
I will do that.
So,
sir. I will do
so that everybody knows.
Actually, yes, sir. Actually,
He said open.
Ghanshyam ji has raised the status of Malikarjun ji Khadge to a level of a god. That's what he has said, Ghanshyam ji. And that is what he has spoken. Okay, but sir, apology for what?
You say that he has apologized.
He has not. Absolutely not. People don't apologize when they praise. If I praise leader of the house, if I express gratitude to if I express gratitude to the senior leadership, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji has praised Malikarjun Khadge ji. Would any member of this house, including Pramod Tiwari ji, point out a single word from the address of Ghanshyam Tiwari to which exception can be taken? Any word. No, I will not give floor to you. Disturbance. नहीं. सुनिए. Pramod ji, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji was speaking in Sanskrit. Now, Sanskrit is a language that requires some kind of orientation. Since you were not present here, you are not. Honorable members, I'll come to one issue. 1 second. No. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am not giving floor to you. Nothing in. No. No, nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. Again. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am about to name you. I am about to name you. I am about to name you. One second. Take your seat, Rajiv ji. हाँ, अजय माकन जी, want to say something?
कह रहा हूं किस बात के लिए सर? ये एक बात लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन के साथ में हुआ है, उसके बारे में आपके संज्ञान में ला रहे हैं, सब लोगों के सामने हुआ, इसलिए नेम कर देंगे।
नहीं, अजय माकन जी।
सर आप कभी सर मैं एक हाथ जोड़ के कहता हूं, सर आप कहते हैं आप हंस क्यों रहे हैं, आप कहते हैं आप मुस्कुरा क्यों रहे हैं, आप बैठे क्यों हुए, सर प्लीज ऐसे मत करिए।
सुनो, अजय माकन जी, नहीं राजीव जी बैठिए, राजीव जी बैठिए, नहीं सुनिए, नहीं राजीव प्लीज टेक योर सीट, राजीव जी टेक योर सीट, राजीव जी take nothing is going on record. Now take it. Honorable members, would any honorable member of the house please point out to me, read from the text what Ghanshyam ji said? Would any member of the house say so? How can a member of this house take floor without telling me that he takes exception to this part of Ghanshyam ji's statement? I can understand. My perception may be different. Mallikarjun ji's perception may be different. A member rises, he doesn't know what he's saying. Once I have not allowed you now, Jairam ji, I will appeal to the senior leadership to, sir.
And sir, you want to know the word he used? Do you want to know the word he used? We have given it to you in writing. इन्होंने इनके परिवार के बात कहा, परिवारवाद का आरोप लगाया।
Nothing is going on record, and
you know it.
Take your seat. Nothing on. I request the senior members of Congress Party, the honorable member, totally ignorant of what was spoken. Can someone ask him to keep quiet? Can you ask him to keep quiet first? Can leader of the opposition ask your member to be quiet?